going to be looking at this 2022 Forest River Shasta 25RS. This camper is at 30 feet 3 inches, 8 feet wide, has a dry weight of 5,188 pounds, and has a gross vehicle weight of 6,750 pounds. Great little bunkhouse camper, one of my personal little favorites. Let's take a walk around and see what we got going on. Here we are outside the 2022 Forest River Shasta 25RS. On the front of the camper here, you have power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, and instead of putting the dog leash on the side of the camper, they put it right up here, attached to metal, so if you have a great big German Shepherd like I do, he's not going to rip it right out of the side of the camper. So here we are looking at the big passive storage on this camper. They do it really well. You got the nice laminate flooring like you do on the inside of the camper here, as well as nice lighting and storage in the front, so it's not just a big open space. So here we are in the outside kitchen of the 25RS. You got yourself a nice little dump sink on this camper, so that way when you clean your fish, you can just dump the bones and stuff right out. Got yourself a nice little adult refrigerator and a nice little sliding rack, so that way you can tuck everything away with that magnetic hold on the big door. Here we are in the back of the camper. They got you a nice spare tire as well as a 250-pound tailgate storage system, so you can haul more cargo, as well as the backup camera prep, so everything is ready to go back here. Here we are inside the 25RS. As soon as you walk in, you have the kitchen right here to your right. Nice big countertop, as well as a countertop cover for the double basin sink here, so it helps extend all that so you have more room, as well as you can hide the dishes in case they get dirty, so you don't want to do them. Nice little stovetop here, or 3-burner stovetop here with a nice little oven, microwave above, and a little fan, so that way when you burn the grilled cheese, it goes right out. Right over here you have a 12-volt refrigerator, and of course whenever the battery is on or the camper's plugged in, it is always refrigerating. Moving right over here through the slide, you have a nice little theater seating with the cup holders and everything with chargers in them, so you can charge your phone while you're sitting down watching a movie, whatever you'd like to do. Over here you have yourself a nice little dinette, big enough for a couple or a small family. Of course you can lay it down just like it is, so that way you can sleep and a couple extra kids. Right here you have a nice TV backer, as well as a sound bar that can be disconnected and moved throughout the camper, so you can move it outside, so that way you can power everything out there. Of course you got your king mount for your Wi-Fi system and everything. Back here you have your double over bunks, top and bottom. Window on the bottom, no window up top, but you have lighting underneath, as well as doesn't look like there's any outlets in there, but the kids, you're camping, so the kids need to enjoy the outdoors. Of course you have a nice storage underneath for a dog cage or anything you might need. Inside the bathroom here, of course you got yourself a nice big shower, plenty of overhead room with the skylight, so if you're nice and tall you can stand in there and fit. Plenty of leg room with the toilet, so that way when you go to Taco Bell you have plenty of room. Nice kitchen sink with plenty of room to brush your teeth, nice storage underneath, and of course a mirror for your wife to do her makeup and everything for when you go out and enjoy dinner. Here we are in the bedroom of the 25RS on the Shasta. You have yourself a nice queen bed with plenty of storage underneath, so you can hide all of your fun stuff you go camping with, as well as extra clothes, anything like that. Of course you have his and her storage on each side with clothes hangers and everything. Of course you have chargers with USB ports, or if you have a CPAP machine or anything like that. Nice little cubby hole to hide everything in, so you can keep it out of the eyesight of any visitors you may have. Cabinetry over top for more storage. And then right over here you have yourself a nice TV backer with a plug and cable and satellite connector, so that if you want to watch TV, movies, just relax for the evening, you can. Thank you for walking through the 2022 Forest River Shasta 25RS with me. Again, my name is Dalton. I'm with RV Wholesalers here. If you want to see this camper or more campers that we have here on YouTube or Facebook, just get on there, watch a couple more videos. Or you can reach out 877-877-4494. My extension is 153. Reach out, ask us a couple questions. We'll see what we can do to help you.